Morning. Another day, another real world test. Today, we're going to be using the Nokia 7.2. Now, if you're not familiar, real world test on this channel is where I'm going to go through my normal day and just kind of do the things I normally would, use the phone like I normally would. I'm going to then also take photos throughout the day on it and a few of its competitor devices, put those up on the screen so you guys can kind of judge that and see how you think it does, and then also check on the battery throughout the day and see how that's faring as well. Today though, we have a special guest. That guy.
Hi. I'm a little hungover.
Yeah. Michael Fisher's here.
Hey, bud.
How's it going?
Oh, I'm feeling great.
He's not. He's really not feeling great. But regardless, he's here, and well, now we obviously gotta get some coffee.
Chops. Absolutely.
Coffee, check. Amel and Chris from Android Authority also joined us, and now we're hanging out with them as well, just kind of catching up. But David, Amel, and Fisher are actually today going to be running around, and I'm going to probably join them, looking for an apartment together. I'm getting everybody moved to Brooklyn. First apartment done. What do you think?
It is done as an apt word. We are not going to live there.
Nice view though. Rooftop was cool, but done. Yeah. And lunch at a place called Frankel's for pastrami and stuff. It's
We got
delicious.
a bagel with lox.
Pastrami lox, though. Didn't even know that was a thing. It's delicious. But just saw apartment number 2. How do you feel, David?
It was slightly bigger, a lot brighter
Yeah.
than the first one, which is cool. Better location,
Yeah.
but it is very narrow.
Yeah, it's a
That's
railroad, so it's
one
like
thing.
skinny.
Yeah, there is a living room, sort of. It kind of feeds into the kitchen. Definitely better than the first place.
First place had no living room whatsoever. And you're a few blocks from this fantastic place we found.
Yeah, this is. Yeah.
Okay, we actually haven't checked on the battery once yet today, so we should probably do that. It is 3:31 p.m. We're at 66%. Okay, so I alluded to this in another video, but besides these guys looking for apartments today, we're also looking at a studio, a filming space, so that the 3 of us and then there's 2 other guys that you guys might know all can share it. Lofty, ambitious thing, but I think it'll be pretty cool. But yeah, stay tuned for more on that as soon as we actually get a place. And of course, more coffee, because that's what you do. And while we're here at the coffee shop, let us check in on the battery. It is basically 5 p.m. It's 4:59, and we're at 58%. What do we think of that apartment?
That was crazy.
That was crazy. I never expected to see that much space.
No, we know. finally done looking at apartments. We've been looking at apartments all day and studios, but I think we actually might have found a good apartment for Amel and Fisher, and maybe also a studio. So stay tuned. I'll let you know how that goes. But Fisher's off on a business meeting right now. I am going to go have dinner with my friend Melissa here. Calling it a night. It is 12:29 in the morning, and we are at 15%. Here is my screen on time and my battery usage. And there you go. When you think about the fact that this phone is $350, and also like all the phones that I just compared it to are obviously a decent amount more expensive, and it kind of comes out, and not too bad, right? Let me know what you guys think, though, in the comments below. Always love hearing from you guys. And if you like this video, please thumbs up it or share it. It's greatly appreciated. Also, check out the rest of the channel if you like what you see there. Please subscribe and ding the bell to subscribe so you get notified when I do new videos. As always, though, regardless, thanks for watching.